Hi, it's Jay and Nick, and we're here today to talk about those Durn Kidz. I was elected to lead this video because look, I have gray in my beard. I'm wearing reading glasses. I'm an old coot. And what do old coots in cars always say? Yeah, Nick, you're getting there. Old coots in cars always say, those Durn Kidz with their PewDiePie, their Old Town Road, their BTS, their Fortnite, they got no respect for cars. Well, I don't think that's true.
Yeah, in fact, in Lemons, we've seen on many cases that there are plenty of kids out there still doing car stuff, and more often than not, doing it better than the old people.
And that's the key here, doing it better than the old people. We all know as we get older, that is a very low bar. However, what the kids aren't doing is bringing all that 50 years of baggage and BS from old crappy car magazines to the track with them.
Take, for example, Squaaaad Racing out of Texas. They're kids. They don't have a huge budget. They just want to get out there and race and do it. So what's the simplest path from point A to point B? We're going to go out and get a car that'll probably run. We're going to get all the safety gear in it. And then we're not going to worry about hopping it up or doing whatever Roger Penske did in 1967. They're just going to keep it simple.
Yeah, so this is exactly what they did. What did they find? The perfect car. A Volvo, a 3-box Volvo. Is that 3 boxes or is it 2 boxes? I can never keep that straight. It's a square Volvo. You get in it, you turn the key, it starts up, it runs. It's great. Is it fast? Not terribly. Does it break? Never. Does that mean that you finish like way ahead of Porsches that do break?
Well, yes.
So the Volvo 240 is on the very short list of cars that we recommend to newbie teams for all of those reasons. This particular one, I don't know what year it is, it doesn't matter. It's a naturally aspirated, single overhead cam, 4-cylinder, does have a manual transmission, that's a plus. Everything else is just left completely alone. I think one of the kids might have even driven it to high school the year before. They put the cage in it, they did all the stuff. They followed all of our checklists that we have on our website. You know, these kids, the one thing they are good at is the internet. They showed up, they passed tech. This car was a contender in Class C, and they expect to come back and really go for that win.
So I really only have 2 things to say here. One, if you start me out on a rant, clearly I'm just going to rant through the entire video. 2, Lemons is not that hard. And if you're a bunch of high school kids and your head isn't filled with all of this nonsense, you can figure that out. They showed up, they ran a car, they got to race it, they had a good time, they went home. What could be better?